Simple Flower Mini Cupcakes.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for yoyomax12.
Hello everyone, this one is so simple to make. You can do this with the kids. You need some Mike and Ike candies for the petals and some lollipops for the center of the flowers. So all you have to do is take a Mike and Ike candy, snip off one end using a pair of clean kitchen scissors, and what you'll have is a fresh cut surface that's very sticky, and all you have to do is press it to the side of your lollipop, just like that. And this sticks remarkably well and it will stay on there. And just continue all the way around until your flower is complete. Now these look really cute on mini cupcakes. So I have a mini cupcake here, and what I'm doing is I'm using a grass tip with just some green buttercream frosting, and I'm just going to decorate it to look like a little grassy field. And then all you have to do is press the flower into the cupcake, and it is done. And you can do all sorts of different color combinations. Very, very cute. If you want the flower to be more low profile, you just trim that lollipop stick off a little bit. Now, if you want to be a little more creative, you can add leaves. If your lollipop stick is made of paper, these will stick better. That is fruit roll-ups. You just cut a piece off and with a pair of kitchen scissors, and then just press the leaf shape to the paper stick, and it sticks quite nicely. And then you have some little leaves. So there they are. I did all sorts of different combinations of colors. Mike and Ike candies come in blues and all greens and other colors as well. This would be a fun little edible craft that you can do with the kids. Thanks for watching. I do have other flower cupcakes on my channel. I put them all in a playlist, so why don't you go check it out. Bye-bye.